In this video we are going to check out the best 5 laser 3D printers. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones.
Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. And give me your valuable opinion.
Best of 5. Glowforge Plus 3D Laser Printer. Autofocus. Automatically recognize materials. Set power, speed, and more automatically. The setup guide will have you holding your first print in less than 30 minutes. Precise to 1/1000th of an inch, and the laser can focus to the width of a human hair. The Glowforge Plus makes it easy to engrave or print beautiful and useful products with wood, leather, paper, fabric, acrylic, glass, metal, cardboard, even chocolate. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Vivo Dual Extruder Laser 3D Printer. Full color touch screen, with no threshold, which is more friendly and easier operation. Extremely good at engraving objects such as wood, plastic, leather, paper, and even cutting thin materials like plastic. If the filament spool runs out during printing, the machine automatically pauses for you to load in a fresh spool. The included networking feature permits you to control the print via a phone or PC. Dual extruders can print 2 same objects at one time, cut your printing time at least in half. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. MakerBot Replicator 3D Printer. Cloud-enabled management, auto-arrange multiple build plates at once. Improved rafts for cleaner prints, redesigned breakaway supports. Similar tensile, impact, and flexural strength to abs. Save time and money creating durable, high-impact prototypes and fixtures just not possible with PLA. Tested and optimized to print reliably and easily. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. Dremel Digilab 3D Laser Printer. 40-watt CO2 laser cutter and laser engraver helps grow your business and transform your classroom by turning your vision into reality. Easy-to-use software, cut and engrave wood, leather, acrylic, glass, paper, cardboard, fabric, rubber and more. Rigorously tested for reliability to ensure continuous runtime during all your project needs. Proprietary Dremel Hex Box. First UL Safety approved laser cutter engraver in the market with 5 safety sensors to ensure all systems are working properly. A premium machine, we custom designed the power supply and other critical components to ensure the highest quality. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. QIDI Technology X Pro 3D Printer. QIDI Tech 3D Printer, equipped with the latest dual extrusion technology. X Pro 3D Printer Kit features conditional breakpoint printing and upgraded 4.3-inch touchscreen, smarter and easier operation. Durable and high-temperature resistant 6mm aviation-grade aluminum build platform, can be heated up to 120. Removable curved metal plate make it more convenient to remove the model after printing, which is widely appreciated by users. The QIDI Tech 3D printer with metal platform support rod, which upgraded to 12mm, and also including upgraded parts like motor. Check the description for best price and details.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share and comments.